Morning chores. No, feed the chooks. Let's go feed the chooks. Hey, hey. Chook shit. Gotta clean up the chook shit. Believe it or not, it's full of fish. I'll have to show you one day. One, duck, 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 duck. We lock the chooks up overnight because the foxes eat them. I used to have like 8 chooks. Now I've got 2. Hang on. Where you going? Did you give me an egg for breakfast, Cubs? Huh? Muffin top. Can't just give it a muffin, I've got to give it a seed too. There you go. Simple. Happy chooks, happy dad. Oh, eggs. I haven't been laying lately because fucking, what is this? Bring me an egg. Any eggs in there? 1 fucking egg. Crows have been. Oh god. Fucking dyslexic cunt. Crows have been eating all their eggs, stealing them and flying all over them. Anyway, at least I got 1 egg for brekkie. You enjoying your muffins? There's the doves out there, they're all waiting to come and steal muffins. Enjoy the rain. Alright.